Hello, I'm going to be telling you about the Simpsons Diversity Index. So basically, it's going to measure the biodiversity by quantifying both species richness, which is the number of species, and evenness, which is the relative abundance in a habitat. So I'm going to go ahead and show you an example of two communities, and we're going to figure out which one is more diverse. Okay, so here I have two communities, and we have three different species in each community, and we have their total. So we have 325 of species A in community 1, 925 of species A in community 2. For species B, we have 305 in community 1 and 40 in community 2. In species C, we have 370 in community 1, 35 in community 2, and then both of them have a total of 1,000. Okay, so first let's go over the equation. So it's going to be 1 minus the sum of everything, and then the species divided by the total squared, and we're going to do that for each species, so for species A, B, and C, and this is on our reference sheet on our test. Okay, so for the first part, I went ahead and already did the math for us, so we have the diversity index of species 1, or community 1, sorry. We had this row, and so I took all of the species and then divided it by the total, and then you're going to square each one, and then you're going to do 1 minus all of them squared divided by the total, which the total for those three is going to be 1 million. And then after doing that, I got 0.664. So that was going to be the diversity for community 1. Okay, so now let's do community 2. So this is what we had for community 2 and for species A, B, and C. So we're going to go ahead and do the same thing we did for the first one. Take 1 minus the sum of everything squared over their total. So once we do that, we're going to get 1 minus 925 squared plus 40 squared plus 35 squared over 1 million, which is going to give us approximately 0.142. So after looking at these two numbers, we can conclude that species 2 is less diverse than community 1, and we did that using the Simpsons Diversity Index. Thank you so much. Have a good day.